These. So we're gonna make one plate. Some white radish. We'll put some. I'm gonna taste it and tell you about it, how it is. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make Lahori special Laddu Peethi wale. So let's start and have a look what we need to make these delicious laddu. So first of all, we will take 250 gram dal chana, soaked and grinded, and 250 gram urad dal, soaked and grinded, and we will take red chili, 1 teaspoon, and cumin, it would be 2 teaspoon grinded, and then we will take baking powder, it would be 2 teaspoon as well, and salt to taste. So what we're gonna do, we will mix them together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we're gonna put these spices into it as well, and we will mix it well. So it's already mixed. Now we Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we are trying the dough. So now we are flipping laddus. So you can see it's getting golden light brown. So just give it a little bit more time and it should be all right. So I think it's ready now. So we'll take it out. So this time we're gonna make small balls. You can dip your spoon into the oil so it won't stick to the spoon. Would be easy for you to throw in your hand. flame should be like medium so it won't get burned. And give it little bit time so it can cook properly. So as you can see, the small balls are much better than the bigger one. So I think it's ready now, so we'll take it out. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So these are ready. You can see how soft are these. So we're gonna make one plate. And we will take some white radish. And we will put some mint and coriander chutney. So we will put this tamarind chutney as well. And I'm gonna show you in my next recipe how can we make it. And we will put little bit yogurt. And we will put some pomegranate seeds. And this is ready. I'm gonna taste it and tell you about it, how it is. Bismillah. Wow, this is really good. Believe me, it's a really good and quick and easy snack for you. Anytime you can make it. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel HTV7. See you next time. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.